Upgrading your windows is one of the best ways to improve comfort, energy efficiency, and style in your Middleton home. With the area's seasonal climate, ranging from chilly winters to warm summers, new windows can make a noticeable difference in both comfort and utility bills. But before your installation team arrives, preparing your home properly helps ensure the project goes smoothly, keeps your belongings safe, and saves time. Here are the key steps to prepare your Middleton home for a successful window installation project. Clear pathways for easy access. Your installers will need plenty of space around each window, both indoors and outdoors. Inside, move furniture, lamps, and wall decor at least 3 feet away from windows. This allows installers to work efficiently and prevents accidental damage. Outside, trim shrubs, clear away patio furniture, and move items like grills or garden hoses that may block access. By clearing these areas in advance, you create a safe and efficient workspace for the installation team. Remove window treatments and hardware before installation day. Remove curtains, blinds, shades, and any associated hardware. Why it's important? This prevents dust and debris from damaging your treatments while also giving installers direct access to your windows. Pro tip: store these items in a safe spot if you plan to reuse them, or take the opportunity to choose new coverings that complement your updated windows. This small step saves time for your crew and ensures your treatments remain in good condition. Protect floors and belongings. Even with careful installers, some dust and debris are inevitable during window replacement. Floor protection: lay down drop cloths, old sheets, or plastic near window areas to catch debris. Furniture: if large items can't be moved, cover them with plastic or cloth for protection. Valuables: relocate fragile items like photo frames, plants, or electronics to another room. These precautions keep your home tidy and safeguard your belongings. Plan ahead for children and pets. Window installation involves noise, tools, and frequent movement in and out of your home. For safety and peace of mind, children, arrange for them to play in another area of the house or with family during installation. Pets: keep pets in a secure room or consider having them stay elsewhere for the day. This ensures your loved ones remain safe and reduces distractions for the crew. Communicate with your installers. Good communication is essential for a smooth project. Before the installation day, confirm important details with your contractor. Schedule: verify start times and estimated duration. Access: discuss parking, entrances, and any specific instructions for your home. Special requests: let them know about alarm systems, fragile landscaping, or areas that need extra care. Clear communication helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures your expectations are met. Prepare for temporary disruptions. Window installation can temporarily affect your daily routine. Temperature changes: during winter or summer, expect brief fluctuations in indoor comfort while old windows are removed. Noise: power tools and removal work can be loud, so plan accordingly if you work from home. Privacy: be prepared for installers moving in and out frequently during the project. Anticipating these minor inconveniences makes the process easier to manage. Final thoughts: new windows are a valuable investment for your Middleton home, offering improved energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. By preparing in advance, clearing access, removing treatments, protecting belongings, planning for kids and pets, and communicating with your installers, you set the stage for a smooth, stress-free project. With just a little preparation, you'll soon enjoy the benefits of your new windows: a more comfortable interior, lower energy costs, and a fresh, updated look for your home.